Well, I've just stuck a battery in that Syma. I've got it facing towards me, haven't I? Let's try it the other way around. Oh, hang on. That one's set up different. Might have to go and read the instructions. Yeah, this one's got the yaw and the left right on the opposite sides to what I'm used to. I wonder if that's adjustable. Probably. I'm used to the left and right being on that side. Obviously need to go and do this outside somewhere. I'll have to weigh it. Yeah. Need to do that where I've got a bit more room just so I can get the hang of the controls before we actually damage it. And I'll have to see if it's changeable. Got a good selection of buttons there. Yeah, right, okay. Right, I've downloaded the instructions, so I now know how to set it up. I can't say that I agree with them. I doubt whether you'll be able to see, but it now says it's in mode 1. I thought mode 1 meant the throttle was on the right. But regardless of that, throttle's on the left. You probably can't see this little diagram here. I've now got yaw, as I call it, is on this stick. That's where it turns it round, and left and right is on the right stick, and forwards and backwards. So that's my understanding of mode 2, to be honest, but never mind. I'll just lift it off the ground just to show that it's going the right way for me now. We won't do anything clever while we're indoors. You might be able to hear people letting fireworks off. So off the ground. Yeah, that'll do. Not really enough room to fly it in here. We've got no propeller guards on it, so I don't want to go smashing into the wall with it. So yeah, another working quad. Thanks for watching. If you like that, then you might like this. And if you like this and that, you might like to subscribe over there.